key ring. It has like little flowers in it. Empty leather thing. What is this? Alright, what's up YouTube? This is the cufflink box that I showed y'all just a little peek of the last video. A couple of little updates first though. This was the other cufflink lock that I did show y'all, and I'm going to show y'all this. I think I showed y'all this service pin. I got to looking at it and this comes out, and there's another 25-year service pin underneath this one, and a couple of just miscellaneous tie tacks. It's pretty cool. This one does say 10 karat gold also on the back. I believe that's a real diamond. These were the the guy that owned these previously worked for Texas Power and Light. So these are 25 and 30-year service pins for Texas Power and Light. I figured I'd show y'all that. I think I also said this jar of pennies came with these, which it did not. It came with this. And let me move these out of the way. Alright, so my wife and kids decided they wanted to count this. There is quite a few of, they put all this silver at the bottom, which is not silver, but I mean like quarters, nickels, dimes. There's $10.50 and quarters, nickels, dimes, and about $5 in pennies. So that's about a $15 jar of pennies that came along with this lot. So this lot originally was I bought for $30, and I haven't looked through this box. They pretty much packed it up before I got there, and this is how pretty much I got it. So I'll show you real quick you can see it. Here, these are the pictures from the auction. So it showed the box open, a couple of the miscellaneous things, a couple of close-ups, what was in the box. A couple more close-ups. I think I might have said that car came with that one too, but it came with this lot. Close-up of the car. It's not worth a whole lot. I've already looked it up because it was loose. And then just like random miscellaneous stuff. So I don't really know what's in this, besides what's the few things they did the close-ups on in the picture. So let's get to it. All right. Well, all right then. Just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Old watch band. That might be a Bell helicopter clip. He had some another thing that said Bell helicopter on it. It was like a lighter in a different lot that I did not win. And there's another one too. I don't see any markings on it. It doesn't look like gold. Some random cufflinks. I don't know if that one doesn't look to have a match. More random cufflinks. Another clip that says Burndy something. Bunch of clips. Congressman Ralph M. Hall. This is pretty cool. Cowtown Corners belt buckle. Flowmaster Mufflers 20th anniversary pin. Fort Worth Stock Show and Rodeo from 2000. That's vintage now. Another little belt buckle. This was in the pictures. Round Rock, Texas. Giant coin looking thing. Another one of these, Congressman. Alright, I think the better stuff's going to be down inside the box. Let's move this over. This was another thing that was in the pictures that you can kind of see. A bunch of cufflinks, those match. And it looks like there's, oh, that's the same as some of the other lot I bought. Maybe that was just a miscellaneous one that didn't match. That's a pretty cool looking cufflink. I wonder if it has a match. There's some that look like that. That's a match to that one. Two of those. Bunch of cufflinks. That'd be cool if that had a match, but it doesn't look like it does. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Empty box. It says Balfour. That's the same as the service pin said. Let's go to the Seiko box. Alright. That's interesting. It's a key ring. It has like little flowers in it. Empty leather thing. What is this? Oh, that is kind of gross. But I have found this before. I have found something like a couple years ago, or about a year and a half ago, I found some. So I'll have to sanitize my hands now. But that is a tooth with a gold cap. And the last time I found some, I found a cap and a bridge that was all gold, and it was about worth $300. I don't know. I'll have to probably extract the tooth and weigh it up, see what it's worth. There's something. Random stuff. Some sort of clip. Other little clips. Oh, look at there. Another cap. And this one's cleaned out already. So that's cool. Gold. That probably paid for the whole box. Probably paid for a good bit of my entire purchase. That is pretty cool. Yeah, kind of gross, but pretty cool. Let's see. I don't know if Seiko boxes are worth anything. Oh, that fell out. What is that? Oh, it is some sort of, it says flower mound on it. Some sort of lock thing. It doesn't actually, oh yeah, it does open. Unscrews on the bottom. Let's see, another belt buckle. Black Eyed Pea Jamboree, Athens, Texas. And some of these boxes were open, so you can kind of see. What is this? That looks like a train. Zero in on safety. Huh. And then a pin that says TU Electric. Oh, this is kind of cool. Some kind of key ring. The 1902 Indian head penny. Oh, and the back looks kind of corroded. Like a wheat penny. Some kind of presentation thing. So that's weird. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, these you can see in the picture. The Oleg Cassini. Look like they've never been taken out of the box. Those are cool. Some sort of belt buckle. It says sterling right there on it. Looks pretty corroded. Let's see if it says anything on the front. Nope. Probably silver scrap. Let's see, a bunch of screws for something. Bag of pins. A lot of TU electric pins. Oh, there's a Fort Worth Stock Show 2004. Some other kind of pin. Bunch of TU electric pins. Oh, scarf holder. That's kind of interesting. Still in the package, but the plastic is ripped. I wonder if that's silver or something. Maybe. It's got a little green on the corner right there. So, we'll see. And this is Tandy Leather Factory. Oh, it's to make a belt. It's got the buckle, the tip, and the little loop thing, I guess you call it. I don't know what it's called. Looks like it's brand new in the package still. Might be worth a little bit. This says Jewelry Casting Company. see what's in here. One little piece of paper and one little piece of plastic. Oh, it's looks like they may have gotten a watch repaired, and that's the leftovers. Oh yeah, it does say repairs. That's probably what it came in. Compass, a little stick-on compass, some sort of little light. Oh, these are cool. I've sold these before. This one looks like it's never, well, it's got some scuffs on it. Maybe I can buff those out a little bit. But these little, what they call them, some kind of tie tips are both there. They're good for a few dollars usually. Yeah, they're better if they're silver. This one, I don't know. I don't think it is. It's pretty thick. Some sort of lighter. Fingernail file. Oh, there's the other one of those cufflinks. That's pretty cool then. I got 2 of those. Might be worth lotting up. Let's see what's in here. I can get it open. Oh. Toenail clippers with a loop. That's cool. I actually will use those. I'll probably keep those on my desk for clipping loose strings and stuff off of hats or whatever. Yeah. Also, I'll actually use those. It's like a copper bracelet. Empty box. A little piece of brass chain. Some other sort of belt buckle. Another one of these things. Whatever it is. Some sort of cards that may have, I'm not going to look at those, those may have a name on it, but it does say Republican Presidential Task Force 1991 trustee. So that's probably cards for that, but I bet you they have a name on them, so I'm not going to look at those. It might be, there's 2 cards in there, there might be something else in there. I might have to return that back to the place. Money clip by Anson 81160, so that's an old money clip. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else is in here. A little keychain, bottle opener, little holder. Nothing in it. Little money clip knife. I don't know if I can get it open. What is that? Oh, cover to a box. And oh, these are cool. Jade, genuine jade. It says right there. And they're made by Anson. Look like they've never been out of the box. That's really cool. And that's it. That's everything in the box. So, okay. So I paid $30 for this, but with the jar of pennies that came with it, there was $15 in there. So $15 for all this total, I guess, after the pennies. All right. Well, that's it. That's what was in the cufflink jewelry box. So hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye.